Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be installing the Rain Guards by CARESA. They're a plastic rain guard that sticks onto the roll bar and just kind of stick out underneath the soft top, and hopefully they're going to stop those drips of water that get into your lap and into the door, and just really annoying anytime it rains and you're trying to get in and out of the Bronco or go through a drive-through or anything like that. So let's go check them out.
A big thank you to CARESA for providing the product for this video. These rain guards come as a set of 4. They're ABS injection molded plastic. They have these integrated curved areas that wrap around the A-pillar and direct water onto your windshield. They're held on with a 3M style automotive adhesive. The first thing you have to do is thoroughly clean the area. And then using Adhesion Promoter, wipe down the surface and just make sure it's really clean. Pull back about 3 inches of the red backing tape. And don't forget about these pieces at the front. You need to make sure the rain guard goes underneath this piece of weather stripping. And then simply line it up and press it all down into place. If you just peel back a little bit of the tape each time, press it down, keep going, should keep it nice and straight and even. Go back over the area and just press it down firmly. And repeat the same process for the second piece of the rain guard. Clean the area thoroughly, and then just make sure the rain guard is lined up evenly with the previous piece. And press it down firmly to keep it securely in place. Move over to the other side and repeat the process. Preparation is key, so you really do need to do this Adhesion Promoter step. Again, make sure the rain guard goes underneath this piece of weather stripping. Here you can see when water's in the channel, it rolls forwards and then goes down the windshield. And here you can see what it looks like with the soft top locked in place.
The install is a little bit more technical. You've got to make sure that that whole area is nice and clean. You've got to make sure it's stuck down really well. You've got to make sure that the windows don't get jammed up with the mechanism. If you open the door and the window doesn't drop straight away, it could catch the rain guard, so make sure that you install them with that in mind. But otherwise, they do stop the rain from dropping into the window. They stop it from dropping into the door, save your lap from getting soaking wet. I give them a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, give it a like, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.